Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to handle large datasets with Perplexity AI. Working with large volumes of data can be challenging, but Perplexity AI offers tools and strategies to manage it effectively. So let's dive in. First of all, ensure you have your API key from perplexity.ai, and if you do not, then you can get it just by simply signing to your Perplexity AI platform and then get on the bottom left corner, select this settings icon. Now select API section on the top right corner. Now select docs. Now select get started, and here you can get the process for how to get an API key. This key will allow you to access the tools and services needed for handling datasets. Start by preposing your data to ensure it's clean and formatted correctly. This step is crucial for efficient processing and analysis. Consider breaking down your large dataset into smaller, manageable chunks. This can make it easier to process and handle, especially when sending data to the Perplexity AI API. Use batch processing to send data in chunks rather than all at once. This approach can help manage large datasets more efficiently and avoid potential issues with large data size limits. Leverage Perplexity AI's features for handling large datasets, such as data streaming or integration options that support large volumes of data. Monitor your data processing to ensure that it's running smoothly. Keep an eye on performance and be prepared to optimize or adjust your approach as needed. And that's it. By following these steps, you can effectively handle large datasets with Perplexity AI, ensuring smooth and efficient data processing and analysis. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.